Good morning, San Antonio drones. Here we are at Alamo City Golf Course. We're about to get started for Drone Winterfest 2018. I'm out here with Chris, Renz, and Corey, the guys from Droneport. So this is a little behind the scene footage. We're gonna turn this camera around and see what everybody's up to. It's about 7:15, 7:30. We're just setting up, so let's turn this camera around and see what we got. And here we go. We can't start droning without tacos. So Chris stuffing his face like always.
You know what's interesting on that behind the scene video of that their Facebook page?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's how they do it. They just move from one side to another, and everything's automated. You know.
There's Droneport over there.
But you can tell that they've been doing it for a longer time because they chat and.
I want to welcome you to the 2018 San Antonio Winterfest drone fly-in. This is the first fly-in that's ever happened in San Antonio. Be working with me. We have Mr. Chris Fisher here from San Antonio Drones. He is the workshops director. So anything that doesn't have to do with racing, Chris is the man. And with Chris, Darren Manson is with him. And for the director of racing, we have Drew Walker from the Alamo City FPV Racers.
Hey, San Antonio Drones. So it's about 11:30. We've been open for about an hour and a half at the Drone Winterfest 2018. So far we have an awesome turnout. Pilots, spectators, everybody's starting to show up. We got the food trucks going. So I'm going to swing around the camera and we'll take a look, see what's going on. Here we go. Here's the entrance. Here's the parking lot of Winterfest 2018. Awesome turnout. Got a food truck right there. So swing around. We got food truck number 2 right here. So come get some tacos. We got all kinds of good yummies for you guys. The race course is set up. Alamo FPV City Racers are set up. Awesome. We swing around to the left. And we got San Antonio Drones camp right there. Everybody's representing. Awesome stuff. Got a couple planes and drones up in the sky already. Check it out. Good times.